Great morning, everyone. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, I am Manjli, staff member of DRM family. Today, we will discuss about the flower and the dissection of flower. We will doing the dissect of flower. ठीक है? First of all, our topic is dissection of flower. Which type of flower? Flower is bisexual. Bisexual means in which two sexes are present, male and female. So the example of bisexual flower is hibiscus. This is hibiscus flower. Common name for this, China rose. So let's dissect it. That is a long stalk that's called pedicel. इसको बोला जाता है pedicel. After that, small green leaf like structure that helps in protection of flower, जो plant को protect करते हैं environmental condition से. That's called sepals. And the second name of sepal is calyx. After that, a teeny leaf-like structure is also present. That's called apicalyx. इनको बोला जाता है apicalyx. Now, this is the petals of flower. That is very colorful and vary from flower to flower and plants to plant. That is petals of flower. If we talk about the function of petal, अगर हम petal की function की बात करते हैं, petals help in attraction of insect. Petals क्या करते हैं? Insect को attract करते हैं and helps in pollination also. Anther को transfer करते हैं female तक, दूसरे flower के दूसरे flower तक. Okay? Petals help in pollination also. So our main part is here. That is our reproductive part. That is a bisexual flower. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, जिसके अंदर मेल और फीमेल दोनों प्रेजेंट होंगे, in which both male and females are present. So that's the yellow part. Here is the anther. That is the anther class. Yellow part is anther and the stalk-like structure. Stalk-like structure that connect the anther to this part. That is filament. Anther and filament. So in male reproductive part, two parts are present, anther and filament. इन दोनों को मिला के क्या बोला जाता है? Stamen. Okay. Now it's time for female reproductive part. Anther secrete pollen grains. That is the gamete of flowering plant. That is the female reproductive part, and it is the stigma. First part of female reproductive part is stigma. It is 4 to 5 in numbers. That is stigma. Class, this is the style. Second part of female reproductive part. And the main part of a flower is female reproductive part is ovary. Class, that is the ovary of female reproductive part. Okay? It's the main reproductive part. If we dissect it, अगर हम इसको dissect करेंगे, you can see small eggs are present in there. That is ovules. So in ovary, many ovules are present that helps in reproduction and produce a new flower from there. Pollen grains come from style and enters into the ovary through the micropylar end and fuses with the egg. So it's the ovary, and in the ovary ovules are present. So it's all are female reproductive part, and this is the male reproductive part. About the parts of flower, first is pedicle, a stalk-like structure that connects the flower to the plant. Second is sepal, green leaf-like structure that protect the flower in immature condition. आपको पता है जब तक फ्लावर immature नहीं होगा तब वो कली की बड की फॉर्म में होता है, तो सेपल्स उनको प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं. एपिकैलिक्स, सेपल्स के नीचे प्रेजेंट होंगे टीनी लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एपिकैलिक्स. कलरफुल पार्ट एक फ्लावर के अंदर that is called petals, that is 4 to 5 in number. Male reproductive part and female reproductive part, because these are bisexual flower, so both are present in that. Male reproductive part has 2 parts, filament and anther. Female reproductive has 3 parts, stigma, style and ovary. This is all about the part of the flower, that is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus, common name of hibiscus is China rose. The first question is, what is the common name of hibiscus flower?
China rose.
Yes, very good. Your answer is right. So the common name of hibiscus is China rose. My next question is, the green leaf-like structure that is present in flower is called
Sepals.
sepals. Yes, very good. So the second name of sepal is
Calyx.
calyx. Yes. My next question is, the female reproductive part is
Stigma, style, ovary.
stigma, style and ovary. So that's all about our reproductive flower. Thank you.